This year the potatoes did really good. We got a good harvest of potatoes and a pretty good size too. So this is how the chaotic garden is looking in June. Very chaotic. The watermelon patch is taking over. And look at this little watermelon forming. I bet there's so many watermelons forming in there. So today we are trying to separate the watermelon from the potatoes. The potatoes are in there with the watermelon. And the leaves from the potatoes are dying out. So we're going to harvest the potatoes today. The funny thing about it, this is volunteer watermelon too. Look at this, the watermelon vines are reaching out. They're about to take over. Oh, look at that. Look, it's something else growing in there. What is that? You see that bloom, that yellow bloom in the back? That's volunteer as well. I don't know what it is. It's a vine. It's not a squash because it's running. I don't know what it is. Stay tuned to that. What do y'all think it is? Let me get up closer so y'all can see. Y'all see the leaves from it? I don't know what that is. It's not a squash. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think it is. Alright, moving on. We're gonna go down the road. Let's head over here to the okra to see if we have any okra on the stem. We do. I always forget to bring snippers. I'm gonna have to get that later. Let's check out the greens. Not that much holes in the greens. Broccolini over here. And look at this big zucchini plant. And we have a zucchini on here. Let's go ahead and get that. Look how big that is. Oh my goodness. It was definitely not that big 2 days ago. Even my daddy is surprised. We have some skinny green peppers on the pepper plant. Daddy is digging up some more potatoes. This was pretty hard because the potatoes was intertwined with the watermelon. Look at the watermelon. This is the biggest one we done seen so far. Here's all the potatoes. And let's get some. I really forgot what these little cherry tomatoes are called. Are they sun-kissed tomatoes? I can't remember. Golden cherry tomatoes. If y'all know the names of these type of cherry tomatoes, put it in the comment. We have an early girl tomato ready that's blushing. I'm gonna go ahead and pick it. Daddy is still going at it with the potatoes. I jumped in and started helping too. Okay, now I'm in the greenhouse. I planted some potato sprouts in here. I'll go ahead and harvest them as well. Now, I did not do anything to this bed. I just planted the little sprouts. I didn't turn over the soil. And you can tell with these potatoes that I didn't. But that's okay. At least we got something out of this bed. I kind of just threw them in there just to see what would happen. So I'm glad I got something. But that's it for the day. I'll catch y'all next time in the garden.